Okay, children, welcome to our math class. And for today, we are going to learn how to compare events according to the duration of itself. Let's see, what does it mean? The duration, that means the length, el tiempo que dura una actividad. Well, let's compare the duration of the following events that we are going to take a look at the next picture. Here we have some activities, for example, brushing your teeth or comb your hair. Which one takes more time? Well, it depends on the person who is doing the activity. It is not the same when it's mommy who is combing her hair or when it's daddy who is combing his hair or when it's mommy or daddy who is brushing the teeth. Amores, vamos a comparar las dos actividades, cuál se demora más y cuál se demora menos. Pero eso de qué depende? Depende de quién esté realizando la actividad. En esta imagen, por ejemplo, son dos niños quienes están haciendo la actividad. Es el mismo niño, en realidad. Pero ¿qué pasaría si fuera la foto de mamá? Para mamá, ¿qué sería más rápido? ¿Peinarse o sería más rápido cepillarse los dientes? ¿O qué tomaría menos tiempo? Bueno, vamos a ver. Y si fuera papá, ¿qué actividad tomaría más o menos tiempo? Eso depende de cada quien, de quién esté realizando la actividad, como ya les mencioné. We are going to continue with the explanation. Here we have example number 3 and 4. Which activity takes more time? Having the snack or dressing yourself? In pictures number 5 or number 6, which takes less time? Less time. ¿Qué toma menos tiempo? Play a soccer game or take a bath? In pictures number 7 and number 8, which takes more time? Maybe have your snack or read a book. Well, I don't know. I know that the answers can be completely different, but it is not important. The most important idea is that you identify and you can compare which activity takes more time or takes less time for you all. Okay, and in picture number 9 and in picture number 10, in picture number 9, we are telling which takes more time, less time, biking in the park or playing in the park too. This one. In picture number 11 and pictures number 11 and number 12, which takes less time, playing or biking or just running off your bike to your home or go to sleep. Okay, let's see. What happened with these activities? Let's take a little view. We're going to share this. Which takes more time? Comb your hair or have your snack? I don't know. Now, let's see the next example. Which takes less time? Biking to the park or pushing the bicycle home from the park? Pushing, because look, the flat is running off. Okay, now let's see more examples. Here we have which takes more time, putting on soccer shoes or playing the soccer game. I think playing the soccer game takes more time than putting on your soccer shoes. Let's see another example. But what about this one? Which takes less time? Eating breakfast or eating dinner? Well, in my personal case, it takes less time eating breakfast. Okay, you guessed, very good. In my case, eating breakfast takes less time. Now, I would like to know, because it is a little tricky, some answers might vary. For example, I take less time eating, yes, but I take less time eating breakfast than having my dinner. Now, let's practice a bit more. Ask to your parents or siblings this question. Which one takes you more time, washing your hands or brushing your teeth? Okay, go and ask to your mommy and daddy. Now that you have asked mommy and daddy about washing your hands or brushing your teeth, I invite you to reflect about these questions. Which do you say it takes more time, washing your hands or brushing your teeth? Does your mom, dad, or sibling have the same answer as you do? Can you think of a situation where washing your hands takes more time than brushing your teeth? Let's think about the situation we are living at this moment, okay? Now, we're going to practice a little bit more the vocabulary that we learned today. Takes more time or takes less time. So, for example, more time. In my case, it takes more time to eat a burger than a French fry. But do you know why? Okay, that's right. That is because of the size of the burger. So if the hamburger or the burger is bigger than the French fry, that means that I will take more time to eat it. And now the second example is this one. What about drinking a water or having lunch? Well, in my case, it takes less time to drink a glass of water than having a lunch. But why? Yes, of course, because the glass of water is smaller than my lunch, obviously. And in your case, I suppose it's the same. Now, look, yeah. Now, what are you going to do? You are going to work in your math book and pages 45 and 46. On page 45, you are going to circle the activity that takes more time. More time. Page 45, circle the activity that takes more time. And on page 46, you are going to circle the event that takes less time. Less time. Okay? Now let's see. So, for example, in this case, which activity takes less time? Zip your jacket or button it? Less time. ¿Cuál de las dos actividades pueden hacer ustedes más rápido? ¿Ponerse una chaqueta que tiene cremallera o ponerse una chaqueta que tienen que abotonar botón por botón? Entonces van a encerrar en un círculo la que se demora menos tiempo, ¿ok? Y en la página 45, la que se demora más tiempo. ¿Qué se demora más? ¿Botar la basura o recoger todas las hojas que se habían caído de los árboles? Well, once you finish working on pages 45 and 46, you are going to upload a picture to CISO, okay? And then you will practice a little bit more on IXL activity, okay? So don't forget to continue practicing and read which group has more, taking into account the words more or less, okay? Thank you very much for paying attention, for being so smart, and for being so obedient at home. Amores, muchísimas gracias por haber puesto tanta atención hoy a la clase de matemáticas. Estoy segura que ustedes se van a divertir haciendo tanto estas actividades como me divierto haciéndolas yo. Los invito nuevamente a seguir siendo obedientes, a colaborar en casa, a lavarse las manos a la hora del snack y a la hora del lunch, ¿ok? Bye, see you. You're very good kids. Bye bye.